Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset Ring camera from app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is just simply go to your Ring camera and then simply press and maintain the button for reset and hold the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds, which you might need to apply some force. And once you have done with that, release the button after holding it the advised amount of time or when you see the relevant LED signal. Now once you have done with that, go to your app, and once you do that, here what you need to do is just simply select the device that you need to reset. And once you do that, all you gotta do is head over to settings app, or just simply go to the settings, and then here you'll be sent to the device settings. Now all you gotta do is select the option that says device settings, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on general settings, and once you do that, here tap on remove this device. And now what you need to do is add this device once again, and now that will reset the Ring camera for you. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.